Let us begin with our sample C++ program that prints hello world on the screen. So first I would create a file, C++ file, and its extension would be .cpp representing a C++ file. So I've created a file. The first line in a C++ file would be as include iostream inside the less than greater than operators. This line is called a preprocessor directive. What it does is simply includes a error file called iostream. It's a built-in error file. Ignore this for now. We'll be looking at this on the later part of the video. And then the next statement would be using namespace std. Well, we'll be using a namespace called std. The about namespace is also, this is not important for now. We'll be ignoring this as well. And the main part of our C++ program would be a main function. Would be declaring it as int main small brackets and curly braces. So this is a function. It's a function that does something, right? So every C++ program when run would run anything that is inside this block. This the block would be stated by these curly braces, opening curly braces to closing curly braces. So we want to print a hello world on the screen, right? So to print hello world on the screen in C++, first we write cout, which stands for character output, and then two less than operators. This is called operator. And then what do we want to print? Whatever we want to print, like say hello world, we'd be keeping this inside double quote, right? This tells that whatever is inside this double quote, print it on the screen, see out, right? And now this is one statement, this is a whole statement, and this is the end of statement. Now we would want to tell the compiler that it is the end of the statement by just giving a semicolon. This tells the compiler that it's an end of statement. And then lastly we would have a return statement 0, returning a 0. That's it. Let's save it and run. You can see hello world has been printed on the screen. Now if I change hello people and run this, you can see hello people, it has been changed, right? Now if I remove this semicolon, what would happen? There's an error, right? Expected a semicolon before return. So let's do that again and run it.